Hi everyone, I am Muhammad Najmus Saqib Khan. Welcome to the fourth video of this series where I am building a simple book storing app using Laravel and Ajax. In this video, I will discuss about the database integration of Laravel and the tables we will use for this application. So, from the documentation of Laravel, we can easily find how to integrate database with the application. Now let's go to the site. This is the official documentation page of Laravel, and here in the left navigation bar the database related information can be found. This is the introduction section. So Laravel makes interacting with database extremely simple across a variety of database backends using either raw SQL, the Fluent Query Builder, and the eloquent ORM. Currently, Laravel supports these four types of databases: MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, and SQL Server. Well, in the configuration section, we can see that in database.php, the configuration of database for the Laravel app is defined. So we can use any of the above four types of database in Laravel application, and we can define the database connection and other configuration in the database.php located in the config folder. Well, I will use MySQL for the database in this application, as you already know from my previous videos. Now continuing on with our slides, here in this application we will use only three tables for the application. They are categories, subcategories, and books. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you in the next video.